Russia-Ukraine war is known by everyone, and you all guys know very well like the support of US, especially for Ukraine. So it is a very specific support from the US side to the Ukraine in the reference of kamikaze drones. Kamikaze drones, what is the topic of it? Those are in the current affairs news I brought for all of you. There's a science and technology session and this is the lesson number 58. As you know guys, like science and tech environment based all the recent updates I brought for all of you on Academy online platform. On this YouTube platform I already have shared 57 videos before this lesson and I hope you guys are following me continuously for your civil service examinations. So let us start this lesson where US based drone system in the news that US has given to Ukraine, especially between Russia and Ukraine war. Before going to start the lesson, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ravi Agrahari. I have done my PhD from IIT Delhi. I'm working as a director of Purvanchal IS, where I'm providing the face-to-face classes at Gorakhpur with all Delhi-based faculties. I'm taking your classes of science, tech, and environment. This is a very important topic for your prelims and mains both examinations. And the prelims have a 30 plus questions. There is a weightage of these two subjects only from the last 7 to 8 years. From last 18 years, I'm taking classes for civil service examination. 1000 plus selection already happened under my guidance. I've written 2 books. The one is on science and tech and second is on environment. And both 2 books published on the McGraw-Hill platform. This is my Telegram channel. Those link you people can see on the screen. Here you can find out my all the entire PDF. And apart of it, I also share all the entire video links here. My Unacademy profile is unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you will find out my all the plus classes, and a part of the plus classes, many of the special classes lessons I also take here under the live sessions. So this is the place that I'll suggest to all of you. Kindly follow me here on academy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. My code is Ravi UPSC. During joining any courses, if you are using the Ravi UPSC code, you will get extra 10% discount in your fees. India's best educators for UPSC CSE, they all are available on Unacademy online sessions, live sessions, and they are the highly experienced faculties, especially for the civil services teaching. And these all the name and experience of the faculties you know very well. So it's a great opportunity to all of you to connect with all the experienced faculty on Unacademy live sessions. Unacademy announces the mains mentorship programs 2020-22 for UPSC CSE learners. Even those parents are going for 2022 mains, not only for those are going mains, even for the other coming future, those people want to do even for your mains preparation. So it's the best for all of you. Here you people go and scan this QR code and you will get the answer writing programs here. A part of live mentorship with the top educators, you will also get connect here. And I'll advise to all of you guys, without mains preparations, your prelims will never clear. The reason prelims is a conceptual based and creativity based. So concept and creativity based question if you want to solve, so you must have to connect with here. Unacademy is going to hike their own prices and 20% prices is going to hike. So before hike this price, you have an option till 31st May. The old prices if you want to rate, so you will get it. And see one thing more guys, if Ravi UPSC code you will use till 31st May, you will get extra 10% fees rebate in your any courses for 2023 and 2024. UPSC CSE GS Mega Combat. Then Academy is providing you with a current affairs special, and here you are getting the different rewards that you can see on the screen. And this test is on 29th May at 11 AM. So don't miss this test guys. And my code is a Ravi UPSC. During joining these courses, kindly use the Ravi UPSC code. For science and technology, kamikaze drones, that is the topic of discussion. Those I made for all of you. What is a kamikaze drone? Kamikaze drone is also called as a switchblade. This is also called as a switchblade. Actually, what was the news guys? Actually, it is a help from the US side, especially to the Ukraine. And this Ukraine type of help, those US has given them, especially through the help of a kamikaze, a switchblade type of drone system. Okay, and the purpose was actually Russia-Ukraine war. Here, US has given the support to the Ukraine through the help of this type of drone system. It's a drone system that you can see here in this picture as a looking like a toy type. Exactly, it is looking like a toy. Okay, if you go into the kamikaze drone system guys, what is it? So one part, this is a single use weapon. Only one time people can use it. It will use for the target and detonate on the impact only once. Again I'm repeating, It is a kind of robotic smart bombs. Again, I repeat, it is a robotic smart bombs. Okay, it launch quickly and very easily, and the range up to 40 kilometer, around 25 miles. It can work, and it can use against the vehicles such as any trucks, tanks, or armored personal carriers. It can be used. So this is also beneficial information, like any of the enemy's trucks or tanks are coming towards you, any armored personal carriers, so you people can destroy through the help of kamikaze drones. Kamikaze drones was developed by a company. The name you can see like Aero Environment Inc. AVAV.O. This is the name of company. Those even prepared it. It's a US based. And here US White House has given around 100 tactical unmanned aerial system as a package to the Ukraine, as it is the number wise information. Actually, why the name is kamikaze attack? Okay, kamikaze name of the drone system came with the name of kamikaze attack. What is the meaning of kamikaze attack, guys? It is a sudden violent attack on enemy. You remember, it is a sudden violent attack on the enemy, especially one in which a person or people attacking know that they will be very killed. Means it is very dangerous, and definitely here the people know very well in this case, if this type of attack happens, so they will definitely die. So this is the reason kamikaze meaning is that it is a sudden violent attack, but in this kind of attack the enemies know very well definitely they will die because of the impact of kamikaze, and that is the reason, because of meaning of the kamikaze, like this the name kamikaze attack even brought. They're equipped with the cameras and guided systems with the explosives also. Those will destroy there. Drones can be programmed to fly to a target very easily, and wave up features are there. Now question is, what is a wave up features? Actually, whenever you are going to operate it, when you have done it in the operation, still you people can change the road path. Okay, still you people can abort them. Okay, that is the reason it is a wave off feature. It is not like that once you people send it, so now you cannot stop this mechanism. No. That is the beauty of this kamikaze drone. If once you people even operated it, then still you people can abort this drone system. Okay, suppose somewhere you have taken action and again you want to stop to take the action. So in that case, you can stop the kamikaze drones. Kamikaze type of drone, it was used as a suicide missions, for the suicide mission during World War II era, and generally this type of system was used by the Japanese special attacks, mostly associated with the Japanese special attacks. In these cases they have used it, okay, during the Second World War. So this type of system even used during the Second World War during Japanese special attack. You remember there are two types of kamikaze drone system. The one is two variants of the switchblade drones or kamikaze drones. The one is switchblade 300, or second one is, you can call it switchblade 600. Okay, so either kamikaze has another name as switchblade, as I told you guys. So kamikaze drone or switchblades, it may be of 300 and maybe of 600 type. 300 may be a personal, anti-personal type. Again, coming any soldiers or where you people can use it. But switchblade 300 is larger than 300 variant. It will destroy any coming tank, any armored vehicle. It's not only anti-personal, it can be again anti-tank, again any armored vehicles. In that way, two types of drone system even developed. What about the working mechanism of kamikaze? Very simple, guys. How the kamikaze is working? Very simple. Even the normal speed is around 60 miles an hour for 15 minutes. Okay, the killer drone cruise at around 60 miles an hour for the 15 minutes, and it is watching through the help of their cameras and GPS system in the nearby enemy assets. What about the properties? What about the bumps? What about the arsenals of the enemies? It will watch in this way through the help of GPS and cameras. Okay, but whenever the target is spotted, they find out, yeah, this is the proper target. Later on, the speed can go up to 100 miles an hour, and they will work as a explode on the impact areas. In that way, guys. Okay, so speed can be increased around 100 miles an hour when they are going to attack in the particular areas. Okay, they're hard to detect and can penetrate the position miles away, guys. Yeah, definitely. So it is not easy to detect this kind of drone system. The reason those technologies are used there, to the help of the technology, the radar and infrared type of system could not find out the location of kamikaze drone. Okay, so that is the reason, guys, that is very dangerous for the enemy's countries. There is a one question that I have seen in the prelims paper in 2020 from the drone system, but the question was not on the kamikaze drones. But in 2020, a question UPSC made from the drone, and general question that civilian drone was questions, not defense drone. A civilian drone was the question that UPSC made in 2020 as a spraying pesticide on the crop field, inspecting the craters of the active volcanoes, collecting the breath sample from the spouting whales for the DNA analysis. At the present level of technology, which of the above activity can be successfully carried out by the using drones? Okay, it was a UPSC prelims 2020, but again I repeat, this kamikaze drone is a defense drone, military drones. But those questions that UPSC has, it was a part of civilian drones. Spraying pesticide on the crop field, okay, is possible through the help of kamikaze drones or not. Few days back I have made one of the Kisan drone video for all of you, and here I have explained with you about the spraying pesticide on the crop field. Inspecting the craters of active volcanoes definitely is also possible. Reason is upside areas have a massive smoke and the heats. Human and other aeroplanes not possible, but through the help of drones we can watch out about the craters picture and image is possible. Collecting breath sample from the spouting whales of the DNA analysis, this is also right. Whenever the whale fish are taking the breath, doing the breath, they must have to come outside from the water. The reason is because whale is a mammal, whale is not a fish, and mammals have a lungs, guys. Through the help of lungs they are going to inhale. Inspiration and expiration they are doing. Intake of oxygen, removal of CO2 they are doing. In this process they are coming outside. When they were going to come outside for the removal of CO2, so they are massive pressure generating, guys. In this case our massive droplets and samples of the cells and tissues of the whales are coming out, and that cell and tissues of the whale that we can connect through the help of drone system, and here we can do the study of DNAs and all. In that way, guys, in that way this will work properly. This is the reason you people must be know. So here finally all three options were correct. I just brought it, but I'm telling you guys, like this type of question is UPSC also made for all of you. But kamikaze drone, I hope you know that is a US type of help to the Ukraine against the Russia. That's why kamikaze drone was in the news, and I brought this drone for all of you relating this current news. So it was overall about it, guys, and now again I will repeat my words regarding this PDF. People connect with me on the telegrams regarding this PDF, and my video links I also share you here. My Unacademy profile, unacademy.com/Ravi P Agrahari 2010. Here you can find out my all the plus classes, and a part of the plus classes my also special classes are also here. Those are free for all of you. My courses of science, tech, environment and other courses of general science all are available here. Some of them are paid and others are free. So that is the reason I advise to all of you, kindly enroll me here. Ravi UPSC is my code. During joining any course, if you use it, you will get extra 10% discount. Iconic subscription is the best subscription for all of you, as here you will get the mentorship type of help. A tutor will come and connect with you regarding your all kind of preparations and kind of help. Here you will get the benefit of the question answer session, question answer practices, study planning, how to do, what to do. In these cases people will get the benefit. Definitely during the preparation you will not have any supporting hand. So here Unacademies are ready to support to the help of mentor programs, mentorship and open house with educators. You will also connect with the teachers like me and other faculties during your requirement. Unacademy courses are running now, and now the next course if you want to buy on the plus or iconic, but I'll suggest to all of you iconic is the best option. The Ravi UPSC code, if you use it for the general studies or optional courses, 10% discount you will get it, as here in the case of optional courses again the 10% discount. 0% EMI facility and academies are also giving you. Yeah, overall I can tell you is a loan facility. And in this case, if you want to contact to 8585858585, you people contact them. Unacademy is raising the price of 20%. Before going to hike the price, kindly join it. So Unacademy brought some new initiative for all of you. Regarding your doubts in the various subjects, various teachers are here in front of you and you people can connect with them regarding any kind of doubts in these subjects. Unacademy has started the last batch recently in the 25th May for 2023 and 2024. So if you want to join it before going to a price hike from June onwards, so this all the batches of Hindi medium, bilingual, English medium, every medium courses are available. So kindly join it, and the G20 GS booklet Unacademies are also providing you here. Unacademy is even launching the top important 6 optional subject for all of you in the multiple language 5th June onwards, that you can see on the screen here. Guys, various optional courses are available here. Okay, on the basis of your requirement you people can join it, but again I'll tell you guys, optional is very important for everyone. The reason is, without optional you people cannot crack UPSC with the proper rank as an IS officers. Any of the toppers if you see guys in the UPSC, so they got more extraordinary mark in the optional paper. So that is the reason here the optional paper those Unacademies launch, it is very very important for all of you. Why Unacademy should be your choice? There are 10 reasons. That in all the 10 reasons you can see on the screen. The first, learn from the best educators. Flexibility to change the optional subject. Flexible hours of learning. Offline centers are the major hub. Dedicated doubt solving sessions. Best in the class learner reading. Printed comprehensive notes. Complete preparation with interview guidance. Live mentorship and daily answer writing practices for the mains examination we are also providing you. My courses of science and tech and environment are running now. 30 plus questions are coming from these two subjects only. If you want to connect with me on an academy, then kindly join my all the classes on the plus. And during joining courses, Ravi UPSC is my code. Kindly use it. So kindly subscribe the channel and like and share this video to all the groups and all your friends. Those are really very serious for the UPSC preparations or civil services preparations. And this PDF people can download from the Telegram group. So thank you everyone. God bless you. And meet you soon in the next class with some new other topics that will be relevant for examinations. Take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye. Jai Hind.